It's the moment I've been dreading. 3 months later, leaving what has turned into my favourite location in all of Thailand. It's Koh Chang, the second biggest island on the eastern seaboard, not far from Cambodia, with a population of just over 8,000. It's really with a little bit of a heavy heart leaving this place. I thought I would get bored, but never. I enjoyed the simple moments, the swimming in the waterfalls, popping for a coffee, no traffic. And now, reluctantly, I go back to Pattaya. Look how beautiful that is. Some people save their holiday money to come and see this, and yet this is the place I've called home. You can see the sand there. This is east side of Koh Chang. It's much richer, almost volcanic. Much flatter that side. Lovely mangroves you can find further down, and then you swing. So this is the mainland import from the ferry, and then you head that way to the tourist area. But to call it a tourist area at the moment, well, it's not. It's just getting by. Deary, deary me, goodbye. Chonburi, by contrast, 1 million people. COVID not really under control. Cases stable to going up at best. No school. Restrictions on alcohol. Restrictions on what you can do. And my hand is forced because of work commitments. Let's see what happens if the schools don't open. I want to go back. Let me show you the ferry in case you've not been here before. And look, if you think it's just me that doesn't want to leave Koh Chang. Koh Chang or Pattaya?
Koh Chang.
Yeah, wait. You? What do you think, Danny?
Koh Chang.
Why do you like Koh Chang? Come on.
It's the best beach,
Beach?
ever.
Yeah, anything else?
The swimming pool.
Swimming pool? Waterfalls?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to come back, shall we?
Yeah.
There's a number of ferries that go back and forth, but it's very quiet at the moment. Here we go. Honestly, I hate the fact that in an hour or so I'm well and truly on my way back to Pattaya. Once I hit mainland, it's 3.5 hours. I just don't look forward to hitting that Sukhumvit road in Pattaya, going down Tepasit. Look, I've had it too good. Again, Pattaya, people are chomping at the bit all over the world to come back there. I'm not. I want to get back on this island. And if you've been to Thailand before, which I suspect most of you have, or in fact are living here, get yourself onto this island. So many different facets to it. Beautiful, and in some ways a little bit underrated. You go exploring, you won't get tired. So, for the last time, for some time now, I'm leaving Koh Chang. And I will be back as soon as I can. Keep safe. Aside, down about Thailand.